What would you say to people who are still doubting the efficiency of being skilled? How did you come about learning shoemaking? What pushed you into it? What made you decide to learn this skill amidst other ones?
When I was little, I lacked shoes, like slippers, to the point where I have to like wear one slippers for a month if I had to get another one. So yeah, it was kind of embarrassing. So a thought came to me, like, if I learned leather work, shoemaking or bag making and stuff like that, it's kind of easier for me to make shoe for myself, and there won't be this start waiting for women who come to get another shoe or slippers. So it actually pushed me to like learn it and have that zeal that I'm going to make for myself and for my siblings too. At least it is going to reduce the cost of spending to give shoemakers outside.
You mean you can confidently do this even outside the four walls of this one?
Yes.
I mean, that's a very good thing. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
So what do you intend to do with the skill after now?
I intend to go far with it because she has imparted even more knowledge, more than this one that like the scheme of what she gave us, more than it, she has imparted it on us. So I have to bring out our work, our doings.
Among other skills, what made you decide to learn Ankara Craft?
Okay, it has to do with creativities, and I find love each time I'm trying to decorate a portrait or anything like that.
Is it like you guys have been doing this before coming in for this training, or everybody started from the very beginning?
No, not at all. This is our first time of doing this.
You guys can already do something as beautiful as this in 3 weeks of training. I mean, this is wonderful. This can only come out of dedication and intentionality.
For the training, it has been fantastic. In fact, it has been wonderful. I've got to learn lots of things that I had no idea about.
The instructor?
Yes, and with my instructor, it has been nice. She's warm and she's friendly. She's also strict, but yeah, exactly, she balanced it. And with my colleagues, they've been fun to be with. Yes.
And it means that like you love what you're learning?
Of course, definitely I do.
Being here at HTA, the journey so far has been tremendous, basically, because tie and dye, it may look simple, but it is not actually simple. It is so captivating and creative.
Before now, prior to now, you do not actually have any knowledge on this?
I do not have any knowledge of it at all. I'm zero.
And as it is right now, you can stand on your own and confidently produce stuff like this?
Definitely.
What do you have to do to produce something like this?
Okay, to produce something like this, we need a good fabric, 100% cotton fabric that will absorb the dye, because there are some material that when you use dye on them, they won't work. So we need hydrosulfite. Not all fabric absorbs dye, yeah. No, not all. So you must be sure when choosing your fabric that is 100% cotton.
To produce this specific design, we call this design Egbanto line.
Sir?
Egbanto line, sir. This particular design is Egbanto line.
Egbanto line?
Yes.
Egbanto
line.
Egbanto line.
Yes.
Wow.
So we bring
is that Nigeria? Is it Nigerian language?
Yes, it was originated from the Egbas in Abeokuta.
Egbanto line. Wow. So before now, you've been a lover of camera creativity?
Yes, I have. I've always been in that environment.
Okay, and so how has the training been for you?
It has been good. It has been really, really good. I've been enjoying it. It's more clearer compared to my knowledge before now. It's clearer to me.
On a scale of 100, what would you rate your learning environment?
My learning environment, on a scale of 100, it's 100 actually.
100. That's a pass mark.
It's 100. Yeah.
So, what would you say to the young lady out there who thinks that skill is for those who are not doing well academically?
I would say that the world is evolving, so and we're all gravitating towards having comfortability in the future. Nobody really wants to. A lot of things have changed. People don't want to do the regular 9 to 5 anymore. People want to earn money by themselves, irrespective of their degree or certificate. So I would say to that person to not look down on gaining a skill. The world has changed, the narrative has changed, and one of the skills that we learn these days, particularly photography, is everywhere. It's not as saturated as people think it is. You can do it anywhere you are in the world. So don't look down on gaining any skill. It will definitely come true for you in the future.
Yeah. Outside the 4 walls of this academy, you can confidently practice what you've learned.
Yes, like I think I can even start by using it to make money. Yes, because I've learned a lot for the 9 days. Yes, it's a lot.
So what would you say, considering the first day and today, how much have you grown?
I've grown so much because like now I'm now perfect. Like I'm bold in what I do. Yes, so confident. Yes, because the first time I started, I was having challenges in some aspects, but now I think with the help of the teacher and person training us, I think I'm confident now. Then I can handle clients, I can handle model by myself without having any difficulties.
On behalf of HTA, LSETF, and Elizabeth Jack Rich Aid Foundation, what do you have to say?